We are left with 60 days for... Am I going broke? How is it going, everybody? We made it to day 60 of our dropshipping challenge. So we've been doing this for 2 months right now. So yeah, what happened the last couple of days? To be honest, we worked really hard. I barely slept, I'm super tired, but I still have to do it, right? Oh, by the way, if you're new to this channel, just watch the 30-day dropshipping challenge video or the 50-day dropshipping challenge video, where I summarized everything that we've done so far. But yeah, why have the last days been so hard? Because we started ads, right? And we, as a beginner especially, you have to stay on top of it. So while we were launching our ads, our testing campaigns and everything, we had to watch video after video. So from morning till night, we kept watching YouTube videos on how to test ads, how to scale ads, how to do creatives, and different strategies and approaches from different YouTubers. We watched it all from morning to night. So yeah, we started going to sleep at like 5:30. And you know how people, before they sleep, they watch Netflix or anime, they put the laptop on the side like this and watched it and then went to sleep. I was doing the same thing, but I was watching videos on how to scale ads. That was the thing I watched right before I slept. And when I finally slept, I woke up at 7:30 to the sound of like the Shopify sale, like ka-ching! Which is kind of nice to wake up to a sale, but extremely unhealthy to sleep just 2 hours. I was so tired, and then I didn't go back to sleep. I just stood up, went into my office and kept working. So yeah, with that being said, we are doing this full time now. I'm fully locked in. There's no more excuses. So yeah, if you support me going full time, I'd appreciate it a lot if you leave a thumbs up below and subscribe as well. So I might earn some money from YouTube if this doesn't work out and I won't end up under a bridge. But don't feel pressured if I might end up homeless. So apart from making new creatives, testing some of those and scaling some of those, we've set up Klaviyo email marketing as well. For those of you who don't know, it's like the app for email marketing. Why we set it up? Because we have a lot of customers which abandoned the cart or abandoned the checkout. So we try to get them back on our shop with email, because on checkout they put in their email so we can email them. We set it up like after an hour there's a reminder, after a day there's a reminder, and after 2 days there's like a coupon where they get 10% off if they buy now. So that's how I'm trying to get more customers. Hopefully it works out, because I just implemented it yesterday. So in tomorrow the first emails will go out with a coupon. Also, I've hit the store with a lot more products, which is all a collection, which I will try to market in about a week, because we have to import the reviews, we have to do the product page for every of those products. I mean, those are like 10 products. So I am in the process of building a whole brand around the store, which is why I have to redesign the store a little bit as well to match with the colors and to make it like more familiar and to fit it in more. So yeah, I'll stop with the blabbering and yapping. Let's get into the exciting part, because we've been doing meta ads for around 2 weeks now. So let's finally find out if all those dropshipping YouTube gurus which are selling courses are just trying to lure you in, or if there's actually some money in this business. So yeah, on the 20th of August, we started launching our ads until today. As you can see here, we have a lot of profitable ads with really good ROAS. I mean, our break-even ROAS is 1.49. You guys can see here, I launched a lot of ads. They are all active, and so far we've spent 824 euros, so it is around $900. We launched a lot of new ad sets with new angles, and they are doing pretty fine. But yeah, if you look at today especially, let me update that. You can see we have really good ad sets with really good ROAS. We have a lot of ad sets that have no sales at all as well. So we'll have to wait for 3 days to see if those ad sets still stay profitable, and those that are unprofitable we can kill, and then we can really scale, because we tested so many new creatives and so many new ad sets and interests that we have something to work with now. Today we've spent already 126 euros. I think I've upped that onto 180 euros each day right now, so we are at around $200 each day ad spend, which is a lot. I'm kind of scared. But yeah, let's check the Shopify analytics. Alright guys, so we started this journey on 4th of July until the 1st of September. Let's apply. Bam! We made $2,163. So we made over $2,000 on our first shop, which is amazing. Don't get distracted by this online store conversion, because all of this before here, where we did organic, we had like 600 store visits and just 2 sales. So that was really kind of dumb. And also we have a lot of like, I don't know if that happens to you guys, we have like suddenly 300 store visits which are fake, and that keeps happening. I think those are like people who are checking out the store, but yeah, it's really annoying and it really hurts the online store conversion, but usually it is around 3%. Also, I really like this, it's slowly going up, like it has downs, but the general direction is fine. We had 64 products which we sold and 46 total orders. So the Kaching upsell app is working really fine. I mean, out of those 46 orders, 18 people decided to buy another product and get 10% more off. So let me show you guys today. I have to do 1st of September until 2nd because it is 2 a.m. and yesterday and today the option is bugged. But yeah, we made $554. Which is really exciting. I mean, we made over $500 a day. We had a conversion rate of 2.52%, 12 orders, and 357 online sessions. Yeah, I'm super excited. I mean, for the ads and after the product cost, we made around $200 to $150 a day, which is super good. And yeah, I'll see until we can get this to $1,000 a day. So yeah, the last 2 weeks have been really exciting, really hard, but really exciting. So we made over $2,000 in sales. Let's find out though, how much of everything that we've done so far, how much money have we done in all those 60 days? And I don't even know yet as well. I wanted to do it with you guys. So we made in sales $2,163.96, right? Of those, there is a fee for like Shopify payments and everything. That's around 3%. So we subtract 64.92. Then the ad cost, which you had in euros and dollars, it is 894.20. Also the product cost, we sold 64 products with $11 each product. It would be $704, which we need to subtract. Then there's Shopify costs. Apart from the $39 each month and the first month for $1, there's apps that I used, and I am such a genius. I bought this Kaching bundle app where I upsell, which is really useful and helped me a lot. Like you can, where you upsell, buy 2, get 10% off of the order. Instead of a monthly bill, I paid yearly, so I had to pay everything up front. Also the Looks app, which I did monthly, is $30 as well. So for everything I paid so far for Shopify, $209.42. Then there is product costs, because I ordered so many products to test and to make creatives for. I bought around like 9 products, which amounts to around $100. We are left with $191.42 in profit. 60 days for $191. I really thought we were making big bucks, especially the last days. I thought we profited like around $200 each day. I guess I was wrong. Oh my god, I really thought we profited at least like $1,000 already, especially after the last couple of days. Am I going broke? I guess with all the costs before, we caught up the last couple of days. You know what, it's fine, because the last days we actually really profited a lot. Like today especially, we made $200 in profit. And if we keep going and scale up even more, there might or probably will be more profit. So, but is it all worth it, or should you go try another business or just go for high paying job? Yes, it is 100% worth it. That doesn't mean you shouldn't pursue a high paying job or another business. But for me personally, it was 100% worth it, because 1, it was super fun. 2, the skills I actually learned from this. Like you learn how to launch ads, how to do creatives, copywriting. Well, copywriting, more like you learn how to use ChatGPT. web design, and then Google ads, Facebook ads, brand marketing, market research. There's so many high-paying skills that you actually learn, which you can use for every business in your future as well, because you will need web design, you will need like media buying, you will need every copywriting, you will need every of those skills in every business that exists in this world. So yeah, this is where we stand after 60 days. I'll try to scale this up to the moon. The last couple of days have been looking really good. I thought it was looking way better after I calculated this shit. But yeah, I'm positive that this is going to go really well. And by the way, I'll also start a short form series like for TikTok, Instagram and YouTube, so I can update you guys every day regularly with the money we've made so far, updating every day as well, to keep it short and do this kind of video like every week or every 2 weeks. But if you have any other ideas or want to see something different, just comment below and then I'll try to make it happen. Until then guys, I hope you guys will have a great week and see you next time. Bye!